In this video, you'll learn how to easily and quickly apply this gradient effect to text in Premiere Pro. First, go to the File menu and create a new sequence to type your text. Once your text is ready, go to the Effects panel, search for Brightness and Contrast, and apply it to your text layer. Next, under the Effect Controls panel, select the Pen tool to create an opacity mask. Finally, move to the Program Monitor and draw a mask around your text. Next, drag the pen mask into the Brightness and Contrast effect to apply it to the selected area. You can brighten it up using the brightness slider. If you want to change the position of the selection, simply adjust the corners of the bounding box just like I'm doing to get the look you want. You can also increase the mask feather and mask expansion values to soften and enlarge the mask size. To duplicate this effect elsewhere, select the mask, press Ctrl+C to copy, and Ctrl+V to paste. To add a glow effect to your text, to duplicate the layer, simply hold down the Alt key, or Option on Mac, and drag the text layer upward. Search for Gaussian Blur, and drag it down to the bottom video layer. You can change the glow to any color you like, but it's best to use the same color across both text layers. From these settings, you can easily increase or decrease the glow intensity as needed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.